Welcome to the future of content creation on YouTube, where artificial intelligence takes center stage. Let's delve into the realm of YouTube automation powered by AI. And let's explore how it's game-changing the landscape for creators and also the viewers as well. Artificial intelligence, or as we call it, AI, has become a game changer in various industries. And YouTube has been no exception. They've been integrating AI in content creation, bringing efficiency, creativity, and also a new dimension on how videos should be produced and, of course, consumed. One of the first ways that AI is transforming YouTube is through the creation of thumbnails and titles. They've got smarter algorithms to analyze video content that generate eye-catching thumbnails. It also suggests compelling titles, increasing its chances of clicks and engagement. So, say goodbye to those hours that are being spent in the editing room. AI-powered tools are there, which analyze raw footage. They also identify the key moments and automatically compile those engaging videos together. This is not only that saves the time for the creators, but the quality. That's the main thing. It enhances the overall quality of that content. Now, you want to personalize things with AI? There are tailored contents according to individual preferences, which has been done because of the AI. These algorithms analyze viewers' behavior, suggest personalized video recommendations, which helps creators understand their audience better. So, one way, it's a win for the creators, and the other way, it's also a win for the ones watching your video, the viewers. Now, accessibility is the key. When we talk about transcriptions and the subtitles, AI is making strides in automating the transcriptions and subtitles, helping not only broaden the audience reach, but by enhancing SEO, or the search engine optimization, making videos easy and more discoverable in search results. Now, understanding your audience is a crucial part for any content creator. With the AI-powered driven analytics, as I would say, provides in-depth insights into viewer demographics, their preferences, and the engagement patterns, enabling creators to fine-tune their content strategy for the maximum impact. When these things take place, monetizing your content becomes a breeze with AI, because they have smart algorithms that analyze the market trends. They also optimize ad placements, and they give strategies for maximizing your revenue. What we can say is AI helps creators tailor their content for better SEO, ensuring that they receive higher visibility on the YouTube platform. Now, we've got a lot of emerging technologies in AI. So as the technology advances, so does the scope of AI in YouTube automation. From deepfake technology for realistic simulations to AI generating storyboarding, the possibilities are expanding, offering creators different and more innovative, enhanced tools for their storytelling. But despite the incredible enhancements, there are challenges and ethical considerations that need to be addressed. From, let's say, potential biases in the algorithms of AI to concerns about job displacement. Since the integration of AI in content creation raises important questions that the industry may need to navigate. Overall, the future outlook looks good because automation with YouTube and AI is undoubtedly exciting. As technology continues to evolve, creators expect more sophisticated tools, enhanced personalization, and even more dynamic landscape for creating content. We can say that YouTube automation with AI is reshaping the way we create and consume content. So whether you're a seasonal creator or just starting your YouTube journey, embracing these AI-powered tools can unlock new possibilities and elevate your content to new amazing heights. Thank you for joining us in this video. I hope this video was insightful, and if you did find it insightful, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos such as this on the intersection of technology and content creation. For now, I will have to say bye-bye.